What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to promote Max Bounty CP offers for free. It's one of the best Max Bounty tutorial for the beginners. At first I want to say, if you want to promote Max Bounty CP offers, then paid marketing or run paid campaigns is the best for making Max Bounty profits. But in this video I am going to show you a free traffic sources that you can promote Max Bounty CPA offers for free and you can earn CPA profits. I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JBJu and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. And you see here how to promote Max Bounty CP offers for free, and in this video I will show you step by step everything, and everything I will show you in just 3 steps, and it's one of the best Max Bounty tutorial for the beginners, and it's the free OS, and you can apply this method. You can make the CPA profits for free, so you don't need to run any paid campaign if you follow this method, follow this system. But guys, first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. And you see here it's an educational YouTube channel, and I am uploading videos in the daily basis, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. You can get here ClickBank method, Warrior Plus method, JPJu method, CPA marketing, free traffic, high ticket program, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and I try my best to provide the helpful content inside my YouTube channel. You see here, and I am uploading videos in the daily basis, a lot of helpful content for expert or the newbie marketers. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month by affiliate marketing like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description, and you will get this join 6-figure number on business model, and it's a Legendary Marketer, and you can get it here, or you will get unlimited buyer traffic, 8 traffic sources, 8 proven evergreen traffic sources you will get here. Now guys, be ready to see all the 3 steps that I will show you to promote Max Bounty CP offers, and it's 100% free and it's 100% user friendly method that anyone can apply it. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I will show you step by step everything inside my videos. So guys, let's check into my computer, and if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos, and new updates inside my YouTube channel. So guys, now I will show you all the 3 steps that I will show inside my computer. So guys, look at here. So step number 1, join Max Bounty CPA network. You see here it's the maxbounty.com, and you see the become an affiliate, and if you see here, here is the advisor. If you want to release your offer inside Max Bounty, then you have to be the advisor, and if you want to promote other people's offer, then become an affiliate. Sure. Put your affiliate ID here, then put your email address here, and see the next for creating your Max Bounty account. And if you can say I don't have Max Bounty account, then you can open account on offervault.com or a4d.com, the alternative of Max Bounty. Okay guys, now step number 2, find out best offer to promote. You see here all the offers of Max Bounty, and at the first of this video I said it, if you want to promote Max Bounty offers, then paid marketing or paid campaigns is the best, because if you see any offers, then most of the offers you see here only US customer, only US, UK. So here is the country limitation. For this reason, paid marketing or run paid campaign is the best for promoting Max Bounty offers. Okay guys, now in this method I will show you how to make CP offers by just a email or just collecting leads. And for this, you see here the email submits offers, and here you see $1,000 gift card only for US people, and you will get 2.6 per lead. Okay, then you will get here $500 Visa card and only for US people, and you will get 2.65 cent. Now I will choose this gift card, and gift card is one of the cherished offer any CP offers, because people want to get free gift card, and for this reason they try to get this free gift card. They do everything for this free gift card, and if you can promote this free gift card, then you will get conversion and you can make CPA profits. So promoting this Visa card, any Amazon gift card, PayPal gift card is the best way to make your conversion more and more. Okay, and at the case of free traffic, you can choose this type of offer. But if you promote CP offers running paid campaign, then you can choose any offer. Then you have to focus the EPC. But at the case of free traffic, you have to focus on gift card, surveys, PayPal gift card, Amazon gift card, that type of offers. So I will choose this $1,000 Visa gift card. Okay, so click here and choose get your affiliate link for promoting this offer and make CPA profits. Okay, fine. And now get evergreen traffic for free, and I will show you these evergreen free traffic sources. But at first I want to say, don't want to get result within starting this method. When you promote any offer, any affiliate offer or any CP offer for free, then you have to grow your traffic sources. Here is no black magic, here is no software, and no black magic, no software, no clues works for making money online. So you have to grow your traffic source day by day gradually, and when you can grow your traffic sources, then you can get sales, you can get leads, you can get conversion. So you have to grow your traffic sources day by day, and I will show you these free traffic sources. Then you can promote your Max Bounty CPA offers for making CPA profits. So guys, before this, if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, and new updates. Inside my YouTube channel, it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, and you will get a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel for making big money and for running your online journey for a long time, for a lifetime. So guys, For getting evergreen traffic for free, I will show the method of Pinterest. So go Pinterest and create your Pinterest account first. After creating your Pinterest account, you have to create a board for your offers. So you will promote Visa gift card. So you can create a board. You see here, and you see the board and free Visa gift card. Okay, so create your offer, create your board. Okay, done. It's your board free Visa gift card. Now in the case of Pinterest marketing, when you upload any images, and it's called create pin. Okay, create pin. So you see here, and you see here create pin. Now you can add images here. So you have to download free Visa gift card. Okay, go the images, and you can see here is it's one of the $1,000 Visa gift card, and your offer is $1,000 Visa gift card. So you can download any images from here. You can again see it here, a lot of images here. $1,000 gift card Visa, $1,000 Visa gift card, $1,000 Visa gift card. So you can download any images from here. Right. So download your image. Okay, fine. Now create your pin. Get $1,000 free Visa gift card. Okay. Now you can add your images. You can add this image, and you can make some description about it. It's not mandatory, but you can I recommend you to make a little bit description here. Get your free Visa gift card now. Then you can use some hashtags here. Gift card free gift card Visa card free Visa gift card. Okay, so you can follow other marketers, or you can make this type of hashtags that will help you to get more search to your images, to your pin, and you can use this type of hashtags for more search. Okay, now you see here, add a destination link, and it's your affiliate link, and go here and get your affiliate link and put your affiliate link here. Suppose if I can get this link here in my website link, and After setting your affiliate link, you can save it, and your pin has been saved and you can see it. Okay, that's it. And I recommend you to make 4 or 5 pin per day, but don't do it at a time. Make a gap between your time. And if you see here, a lot of people do this same thing. If this method doesn't work, then this guide never work like this. So if you can continue your task in the everyday, in the daily basis regularly, then you will get results, I assure you. And it's for on country, so you have to do 4 or 5 pin per day, and you can choose different type of gift card, PayPal free gift card, any choose type of offers. And when people click your images, that's the magic. When people click the images and get the link, I put this link, and here is one of my website link, and you see here people get here. So you can easily insert your affiliate link, your offer link here, and when people click your images and get this your offer link and make conversion simply just submitting your email, and you will get this 2.65 per lead. So guys, it's so much easy and so much simple, and it's one of the best free ways to make CPA profits. And the best way, if you want to promote Max Bounty offers, then you have to run Bing ads or Google ads. It's the best way, okay? But if you follow these free ways, then you can make a little bit CPA profits applying this method. But if you can grow your traffic sources day by day, then you can make big money. Okay, so guys, that's it. If this video helped you, then like this video. If you have any question and queries, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question and your queries. And if you don't forget to share this video to other people and to your friends. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside here. And if you want to make big money with affiliate marketing, 10,000 per month or more, then like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. And if you check my playlist, then you will get traffic source, make money related method, ClickBank method, JB2 method, every kind of. So you can check my playlist too to get a lot of helpful content. So guys, that's it. Step number 1, join the Max Bounty CPA network. Step number 2, find out best offers to promote. And step number 3, get the free traffic using Pinterest. And it's so much easy and so much simple. And when you set everything, then you can use your cell phone to post, to make pin inside Pinterest easily. You can use your cell phone and make your task easily. So guys, that's it. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. And I will see you very soon in the next videos. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you.